everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Karina Bonaduk and this is the best lighting I could get.
Wish we could fly away, you and I, go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, yeah, make special memories together.
Today I will be cooking some desserts that I usually eat in Romania. Again, I feel like every single video lately has been Romania this, but I haven't had a kitchen for Christmas and I haven't really had any opportunities to cook since October because I moved in here completely in October. The stovetop was installed Sunday, so it's been what, 3 days now? No, it was installed Monday, so it's been 3 days. So I've been cooking a lot just because I missed it, and I am not a cook by any means. I most likely will add too much salt and then try to dilute it with other things. And I am making desserts today, so if it's too sweet, you know, I'm sorry. We'll just exercise in the new year. But this is enough rambling. I'm just making something super simple, super easy that I really love eating when I'm back home. Fun fact, I always gain 10 to 20 pounds every time I go back because it's just too good. This is my dog that's making a mess right now. Healthy! Healthy! No. Good boy! Come here! Come here! There you go. You gotta make a cameo in every video, right? He started giving kisses now instead of like biting, but you know, I love him so much. I love him so much. Yeah, he gives kisses most of the time instead of biting. But he's still teething because he's a baby. Let go. Good boy. Good boy. He's a good boy. No. Okay, let's get to it. The first thing you want to do is put some water to boil and then add some sugar in it. I'm using these type of cookies that are called Eugenia. I have two kinds. One is chocolate and one is vanilla. I have them from this international market in my area. You can use any type of cookies like Oreo or anything like that. Put them in a tray or a pan and then put the syrup on top just to get them to be really soft and chewy. After that, I'm using Dr. Oetker pudding. I find it at World Market, but I also have some from Romania. I have strawberry and vanilla, and the first layer that I put is the strawberry one. I mix the milk first just a little bit to get the powder to mix very well, and then put the rest of the milk on top. You will be able to tell when the pudding is done because it's gonna get thicker and thicker, and I like this pudding better than American pudding because the consistency is thicker than the pudding from here. And look how cute my puppy is, hanging out with me all the time. I love him so much. But see, here you can tell that the pudding is ready to be poured on top, and that is what I'm doing right here. Now in Romania, my mom would always give me the pot of the pudding to lick the rest of the pudding from there. It's super delicious. It's one of my favorite desserts, so I obviously have to do the same thing. For the second layer, I had to do the syrup separately and then put the cookies in there and then put them on top because you don't want your pudding to be all soggy. And then I used the vanilla pudding, following the instructions the same way, and then I will pour it on top. I did forget to show you guys, I put the whipped cream in the fridge to thaw, and then I have a hard time saying words that have TH in it, aside from the, obviously. But I let it thaw, and then in that time the pudding cooled off, and I put the whipped cream on top, and with a fork I just made this pattern in it. It is my absolute favorite dessert. It's super easy to make, it's really cheap, and it's so satisfying. And then Salam de Biscuiti, also called cookie salami. I'm using pig biscuits that I found at the international market in my area, but you can also use animal crackers. And with a roller, just make sure to crush them. That's the word I was looking for. Crush them with a roller. And you can leave some big pieces in there because it will just give it a crunchiness in the end. I didn't really do that much over here, but I most definitely didn't make sure that I crushed every single piece very well. I do love my butcher block that I have on top of the sink. I bought this sink especially for it. It's very useful. You just use it and then you can put the bowl under and it's great. So you add some spoons of cocoa. I added 4, it's up to taste. And then I added the whole packet of coconut flakes. You again You can use the recipe or add to taste. I did measure the sugar. Everything is in grams. I do have a measure because the recipe is from Romania and my friend gave it to me. So that is why everything is in grams. You can use a measuring machine thing and then change it from ounces to grams. I measured the butter and then it ends up that you need 2 bars of it. And then milk, I said 1 cup, but it's up to like the consistency. So if you have a little bit more crackers, you know, you'll have to put more milk to just make it a roll. And then vanilla or rum essence, I did not find any rum essence, so I put vanilla in it. Get some plastic wrap and you just put the mixture on there. You roll it well just to have the consistent, like the shape of salami, and put it in the fridge and you can enjoy this in the next couple hours after it cools off, so you can cut it as, you know, you would cut salami. That's why it's called cookie salami. So this is another one of my favorite desserts. It's super easy to make. It can be crunchier or less crunchy. You can put things in it like Turkish delight, nuts, raisins. You can add whatever you want and I just love it. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I post every Saturday something house related, decor, you know, furniture, repurposing, whatever the project might be. I have projects galore that I still have so much work to do on. And then on Tuesdays, I like to do videos that are, you know, on random topics or in random unrelated things. So make sure to follow on Instagram. Oh, stop. Make sure to follow on Instagram at Karina Beneduc and like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you would want to see. Let me take a picture of him right now because he's adorable. He has to sit on my feet or be wherever I am. Okay, I am obsessed with my dog, obviously. I mean, how could I not? I'm only human. So, anyways, if I mentioned any videos or any products, they're in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video. I said that like 3 times. I've filmed this many times. So yeah, you take care and I'll see you next time. The kitchen video that and this is my guinea pig. Didn't cut or eat, you know. Really enjoyed. Hey, every Saturday. Did I say every Saturday already? Make sure to follow me on Instagram. Is it a follow? Make sure to follow me and